Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. 5 technologies that will create millions of jobs and trillions in wealth next 10 years. The next decade wouldn't just change how we live, it will redefine how we build wealth, create jobs, and grow entire economies. First, artificial intelligence and automation. Beyond chatbots, AI will power industries from logistics to healthcare, creating demand for engineers, data specialists, and entire new roles we haven't imagined yet. Second, clean energy innovation, advanced batteries, hydrogen fuel, and grid tech will drive massive investment, reshaping energy markets and opening jobs in infrastructure, manufacturing, and research. Third, biotechnology and precision medicine. From gene editing to personalized treatments, this field will attract billions in funding and fuel high-value careers in science, healthcare, and bioengineering. Fourth, advanced manufacturing. Think 3D printing, robotics, and smart factories. Production will become faster, local, and more efficient, sparking new industrial hubs and skilled trades opportunities. Finally, the space economy. Satellites, space data, and commercial launches will unlock new markets, impacting communications, climate tracking, and global connectivity. The takeaway: innovation isn't just technology, it is opportunity. The biggest growth will go to those who learn, adapt, and invest early. Thanks for listening.